Hi friends, hope you're doing well today. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a custom makeover. This sideboard is a piece that the customer wants me to refinish in the exact same look and style as this piece that I flipped a few weeks back. And so today I'm going to be working on getting the top removed by sanding it with my Festool sander and giving it a clean and maybe giving it a primer as well today. So we'll see how much we can get done today. So I've painted the second primer and it's now dry, so we can get on to the exciting part and adding in the colour. So this is going to be the same colour that I used on my Coastal Diane Keaton flip. And it's a really lovely soft blue. So I'll do the first coat and coverage with the large chalk brush, and then to get into the smaller details I'll use a smaller finer paintbrush. I've been furniture refinishing and flipping for the past 2 years, and when I'm doing custom pieces, I always still have that slight apprehension that it's not going to come out just right or the way that the client expects. But this piece was an absolute stunner and it came out beautifully and the client was so happy. So without further ado, let's get to the reveal. The Coastal look is hands down one of my most requested looks by my clients, and you can see why with such a lovely, soft, serene feeling that it gives. It just makes furniture feel happy and bright, and that's exactly the transformation we went for on this sideboard. We achieved this feeling with a really soft, custom-made blue color, and paired this with my gorgeous marble textured knobs called Hector. This is definitely one of the favorite ones to use for the Coastal look. And to finish off this look, we whitewashed the timber top just to soften the red tones, as it was quite strong originally in its raw form. So giving it a whitewash made that timber texture really subtle and balanced beautifully well with that custom custom cool blue color that we chose as well. What I absolutely love about painting furniture is that when you paint a color or change out the different timber tone finish, you really get to notice different elements and features of a furniture piece. And in this sideboard here, the front paneling just looks really good with that blue color, and it just made more of a feature and highlighted the detailing there. I hope this video gave you some inspiration and tips to maybe flip your own furniture piece in the coastal look. And remember, you can shop the link below to buy the same hardware that I used on this flip. And if you love furniture transformations, make sure you subscribe to be notified for my next flip. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.